In the blink of an eye, a power surge can damage your equipment or corrupt your data. Surges happen every day, and there's no reason to take a chance when protection is so affordable. Tripp Lite's economical TMC-6 under-monitor surge suppressor protects computers, peripherals, and other electronics against surges and line noise. It has the strongest UL-verified surge protection rating in its class, 1,440 joules. The low-profile case fits under your monitor for convenient push-button control over all the components in your computer system. TMC-6 also includes surge protection for your phone line to protect fax machines, dial-up modems, DSL modems, telephone systems, and more. With a durable housing and reliable internal components, TMC-6 is built to keep working long after other surge suppressors have burnt out and left your equipment exposed. It's backed by Tripp Lite's no-hassle lifetime product warranty and connected equipment insurance. If you need a reliable and economical surge suppressor that will fit under your monitor, order Tripp Lite's TMC-6.